guy here looks very big, but he's super friendly. Bye. Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily V. Everyone, look at this lazy Abhilashana who doesn't want to do his sadhana. It's 6:30 in the morning. Abhilashana, wake up. Wake up, man. Go and do your sadhana. Take a bath. This is going in the daily week. Abhilashana, will you do your practice today? No. No. You don't. You're skipping today. Okay. So, So, me and Abhilashana after a big fight are going for breakfast. And then we did our Shambhavi and then said sorry to each other. ഇടിച്ച് പിരിഞ്ചാച്ച്
രണ്ടിടം കോമഡി ഇവിടെ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ്
ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പൊ കിടന്നതിൻ്റെ താഴെ show Abhilashana what all we have. This is tea. അയ്യോ നത്തിങ് നത്തിങ് തുറന്നൊന്നും നോക്കിയല്ലോ ഉണ്ടോ? ഓ നോ. ഓ ദൊഡലി തുറന്ന് കാണിച്ച ഇഡ്ഡലി കാണിച്ചില്ല. ഇഡ്ഡലി അടച്ചു. only ഇഡ്ഡലി, നോ സാമ്പാർ, നോ ചട്നി, നത്തിങ്. ബ്രെഡ് ഹണിയാണ്, ജാം, ബട്ടർ ജാമാണ്, ബ്രെഡ് ബട്ടർ ജാം. Abhilashana, no omelette. റൊട്ടി തരാ റൊട്ടി. Abhilashana making me his D-Rock by taking stupid reel. താറാവ് ഇവന്മാര് ഭയങ്കര ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ആട്ടാ, നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്ന പോലെയല്ല. ഓടി വന്ന് കൊത്തും. Scary cat Abhilashana acting cool. 1 minute has he seen his video kitty. Now you know who is afraid. This is the good thing about documenting. People's lives are immediately caught on my camera. 2 ഗ്യാസ് ഊറ്റി പൊട്ടിത്തെറിച്ചാൽ തീർന്നു നിങ്ങളുടെ. ഇത് ചില കാർട്ടൂണിലൊക്കെ കാണില്ലേ, 2 skeletons. ഇതെടുത്തു. പൊളി തഗ് ലൈഫ്. ഗ്യാസ് ഊറ്റി കിട്ടി. Abhilashana getting ready for big polling. ഇന്നത്തെ ഇഡലി വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ഓവർ സൂൺ. ലൈഫ് ബോയ് അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റ്. it's not life boy, it's biotic. No guess will get anything. First Kerala Italy. മൂന്നെണ്ണോ? കമാ ഇത്രക്കും. അത് കൊള്ളാലോ. ബ്രെഡ് ടോസ്റ്റാണ്. One. So we have idli. Idli, you are supposed to mix in all three chutneys.
You didn't take butter.
Butter and idli. Who
No,
has
no,
butter?
butter and bread.
You won't destroy my video. And then I think it's
Bread omelette.
bread omelette. Very nice.
Oh, onion is there?
No onion.
That's good.
Cut it, please. Everyone, so as we are having breakfast, someone asked about, is this the expert's bike? Do you guys own it? Abhilashan is like, yeah, it's my bike. And he's like, it was fallen down.
The express bike doesn't have center stand actually, so I think.
So look at it. It became all dirty. Look at Abhilashana's sad face.
But some good man may put it back, I think. We don't know who is that.
Yes. That is me.
Here and there, everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
Now we can go to reception.
Now we'll go to reception, maybe get an Oro card and go to Solar Kitchen for lunch. Directly to lunch after breakfast.
വീഡിയോ എടുത്തല്ലോ.
വീഡിയോ എടുത്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉടായ്പിന്റെ.
ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്തില്ലേ?
എടുത്തെടുത്തു. Wow, look at this, so beautiful the Ganesha looks. I think morning they are doing a puja for him.
എടാ എനിക്ക് മറ്റേ വീഡിയോ ഒന്ന് അയച്ചു തരണം കേട്ടോ. ഓടുന്നത്.
So thanks to our very bad planning, we are screwed today because Sunday everything is closed. So guys, this is the tip for you. If you're coming here, try to plan it in such a way that you come on other days other than Sunday. If you just want to chill, Sunday is good. But if you want to visit places, if you come on Sunday, all because of this guy. I told him we'll come on Monday. And we have reached
അരവിന്ദ്
Statue. So we attended a session. Abhilashana full focus. And
Why shall it like this?
I was meditating, man. Meditating.
And that teacher is also looking at you. Why this would I have here?
I was doing my shunya. Small version of the building. This is the miniature version of Matri Mandir.
Once you walk, you will become hungry. Then you can just
Plans to do shunya. Walk, get hungry. Only because of this Abhilashana, he didn't do the necessary research. So our only activity at Oroville is going to Matri Mandir again and again. Don't you have any shame? You are a secret? Killjoy? You have to say something.
Oh, thank you. നിർത്തി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ച് reflection വേണ്ടി നിൽക്കാം.
നിർത്തി. Today it's actually very crowded. A lot of people are coming because it's a Sunday. But ironically, nothing is open on Sunday except this. And on Sunday, this is open only till 1 p.m. You can visit Matri Mandir till 1 p.m. only. So if you're coming, plan accordingly. Banyan tree, I think Abhilashana is saying this is the banyan tree.
Yeah, this is an entry explained in the video.
Yes, I think this was there even before the Matri Mandir.
Yeah.
And
From here everything started.
yes, this is the beginning of Oroville. Beginning of Oroville.
Yeah. Sorry. So wide actually.
1x നെക്കി നോക്കി അപ്പോൾ 0.5x
Hello.
Touch ചെയ്ത്.
Next one next.
ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത
Okay.
Abhilashan, tell us your story. Simply make up a story. Why did you decide to learn card tricks?
We want to run. We want to run.
Okay, run.
And it's over.
Yeah, it's overpopulated. So after coming to Matri Mandir, you can catch a bus back. Coming, you walk, guys. Don't be lazy. Like Abhilashan.
I think I will run.
നന്നിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല നിറഞ്ഞ്
ഞാൻ നടക്കാം.
നമുക്ക് നടക്കാം. നമ്മൾ യങ്സ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ, യൂത്ത് അല്ലേ, യൂത്ത്.
ഞാൻ യൂത്താണ്.
അപ്പം ഞാൻ യൂത്ത് അല്ലേ. Abhilashan, so show us a card trick. Do you even have a card to show a trick?
Next.
Camera shake magician. And Abhilashan is sitting in the gym. So guys, in 1 year you will see a guy with 6-pack, biceps, triceps. See, please attend Mr. Ponyikara, Kerala. Okay, at the visitor center you can find cycle rental, where you can take cycle for a 1 day or a weekly rent. So people are taking cycles because without a cycle it will be super hard to manage over here. Oh, Auroville ice creams. Time to get one. നമുക്ക് ശൂന്യണ്ടേ? Okay, we are at the book shop. Kalki Boutique. ലേഡീസിൻ്റെ ആ സൈഡിൽ പോയി നോക്കാം. മെൻ. Okay, so there is a book shop also over here. You can come and check it out. You can buy all this stuff and also chocolate. Big. Look at the size of the bum. Oh. I found another biryani meditator. Abhilashan wants to have chicken biryani. അല്ലേ, നോക്കണോ ഇങ്ങോട്ട്. People are joining my gang. To join the WhatsApp group Chicken Biryani, you can message Abhilashan. We have a Discord group also. Discord, Telegram, everything. ഇല്ല. So this is called Bros Cafe or Bros Dhaba, something like that. Handmade leather keychain. ഓ, ഇവിടുന്നാണ് സാധാരണ ആൾക്കാർ വന്നെ, സ്റ്റേ ഇല്ലാത്തവർ. ആ, so this is the place where I think if you are not staying inside Auroville, because I remember one vlogger showing this place. Yeah, so this is where you come from. Oh, okay. Because we had chosen the Sharangna guest house, we had come from behind the Auroville. നമ്മളതിനെ കയറ്റി വിടുവോ? So if you're coming for day visit, you can park your car here and you can just go for a day visit.
Head west toward Oro.
Bros Plan B. Look at Abhilashan got screwed at Bros Dhaba. Didn't get biryani or chicken. Abhilashan is sad. ഒരു സാഡ് മ്യൂസിക് പറഞ്ഞു ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഇടാൻ. ഇന്ദുലേഖ കൺതൂർ അല്ല, വേറെ തൂ ചീസ് പടിയ അടിപൊളി. So these are the rules for visiting Matri Mandir. Okay everyone, so I'm having mini meal while Abhilashan is waiting for his chicken curry. Sambar or rasam something. And papadam. Abhilashan.
What? Over expression.
The source of energy for mentalist. Butterscotch ice cream. How is it?
Nice.
Nice, Anna.
So nice.
And I have double flavor, mango and
I think I will order
chocolate.
one mango also.
No need.
After this.
No need.
Sure.
Okay guys, we are drinking Aqua Dye, Auroville's special water. Oh, green color. Tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like?
Chocolate.
How is it feel?
Like water only.
Like water only. Tastes like mineral water. No.
It looks nice.
Okay.
Yeah. So this water, they treat it with music. Where is the music? Yes, Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, Gayatri Mantra, and that memory is supposed to be stored in water. And we have a natural pool over here, so I thought I'll take a dip in it. I'll just show it to you guys. This is the pool, so it is not at all chlorinated, so it's our natural water. And I was just feeling a bit tired after all the travel in the morning, so I'll take a dip in it. It might look dirty, but it is not dirty. It's just a little bit leaves might fall once in a while, so but it is not chlorinated and it's super nice. Let's check it out. iPhone 12 waterproof. Water is a bit more deeper than I expected. Oh, we have a beautiful statue of Krishna over here. Guy here looks very big, but he's super friendly. Bye. Okay, so me, Abhilashan didn't fill petrol, so I'm going to fill petrol in the bike. Else we'll get stuck over here in Auroville by tomorrow. So let's go to the pump. And look at our meter, almost empty. And ta-da! Indian Oil. So this is the nearest petrol pump, around 4 kilometers from Sharangna guest house. So 500 rupees of petrol filled. Let's see how much did it come. Ta-da! More than half tank. Cool. Now off to Auroville Beach. Okay, we have reached Auroville Beach, and to be honest, it is not such a nice beach. So I would definitely suggest the Paradise Beach and the other beaches, that I think Rock Beach and all that. But this is, let's see. Just dirty over here. But it's okay. Yeah, it's okay over here. Nice beach.
Okay.
After a failed trick, Abhilashan.
It failed. It's half failed, right?
No, full fail. Hopefully, I'll be able to make him fail this time also.
Oh, don't make me nervous. Yeah, you want to choose any duck somewhere from the middle. Anything you like. Last time you can choose anything. Any duck, okay? Yeah, anything. You
I can look?
Yeah, you can look. It's just almost just like the ambitious card routine I told you, right?
Can I show them?
Yeah, you can show them also. Yeah, okay.
You can't look.
No, yeah, I can look. Yeah.
You can also look.
No, I cannot look. And I am putting it somewhere in the middle, okay? Just like the last time I did. Somewhere put in the middle, okay? And this trick, actually, I believe I already do this trick, like 1, 2, 3, 3 card. You remember that? And this card from the middle just jump into the top. You already seen this. This is your card.
Okay.
Okay. This trick is just begun, okay? Just open your palm like this and close it. Just close it. Okay, so your 3 of clubs is there, right?
Yes.
3 of clubs is there. Now we can check what is the next card. Okay, next card. Okay, next card is a joker.
Joker.
The special for you. I don't know. Okay, now let's see, Vaishya, can you move this? I have a joker with me, okay, right? I have a joker with me, and you have your 3 of clubs here, right? And it will happen so quickly, okay, so quickly, and you will just feel it, just like this. See, do you feel anything?
Nothing doing. Nothing has happened.
But I have your 3 of clubs. And can you check what is that? How is that? I know you are surprised and forgot to clap.
Play this in slow-mo, guys. See how he did this.
Okay.
2 failed attempts. Third attempt is also gone.
What about last week? Okay, so this kind of a trick which involves some connection between 2 minds. Okay, so I don't know, you notice or something like if you sing with some person in your life, it may be your lover, it may be your
Hey X, how are you? Do you remember me?
okay. So if you or your friends or maybe your close relative, if you become sing with that, naturally, unknowingly, your choices will become sing, right? Because if you want to take some dress, but unknowingly they will bring that dress to you, right? Many times in my life also that happened. I hope you are like, yeah.
I hope someone gives me a Benz like that. Benz.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, Tesla. Petrol price is too high.
Yeah, Tesla. Yeah. So this kind of we are trying to create that kind of a connection between us. Okay, we are trying to. I am not really interested in the connect between you, but for the sake of the trick, I am trying to create. Okay, I am trying to do this. Okay, so here. Yeah, you can take this deck and completely shuffle, and I will be completely shuffling this deck also. Okay, you can take your time and shuffle this
Guys, let's just shuffle this deck so that Abhilashana freaks out.
Yeah.
We'll hide some cards. Put a new deck.
No, don't do that. I am also shuffling. Okay, you are finished with that. You are happy with that and happy with that. Okay. Oh, some tricky moves. I know everything's getting. Okay. Now the thing is, we are simply exchanging the deck. Okay, so that we are not doing anything. I am not doing anything tricky or something. Okay, we are just exchanging the deck and just keep the deck and just follow my instruction. That's the important thing when we are connecting with the mind or something. Okay. Now you can spread this deck like this. Oh yeah. And you can wherever you feel, stop and take that card. Okay, that card, and put that card into the top. That's your choice. Okay, fine. And you don't need to look at it or do anything. Okay, and I am also doing the same. Okay, I am also doing the same thing. Okay, I am also choosing some card and putting it in the top. Now the thing is, we can again exchange the deck. So I am not doing anything because I have my choice and you have your choice. Okay,
Right.
you can keep it like that. Okay, so this time we also tell about the singing, right? Because 2 people's choices are becoming same. Right, that we are last time talking, and you also choose the deck and I also choose the deck, right? And completely random because you shuffle the card, I shuffle the card, and you again, yeah, it's okay. And here the your choice, right?
Okay.
And you chose 2 of hearts.
Okay.
You chose 2 of hearts from somewhere.
Can you show them?
Yeah, I want to show them. Okay, 2 of hearts. Okay, it's real. It's real, guys.
It's real, guys. That's not.
Okay, and I also selected some cards from the top right. Can you check that? It's 2 of hearts, the same 2 of hearts, right?
Abhilashana, we are soulmates. കൈയടിക്കണം. Abhilashana, eat. I don't know how to eat. You only bought this. Wow. ബൈറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഈറ്റ്.
Soft, nice. Nice.
Now the expression change.
Yeah, now I tasted this part. Nice. Chopped out.
അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുണ്ട് ഗൈസ്. ചീസ് കേക്ക്.
Nice.
Nice.